Code Institute course was absolutely worth it. To go from where I was to where I am now, there's absolutely no regrets. I don't think I can put it into one sentence how it's changed my life. I think the list of positives is huge. I don't think I could list them all. The mentoring program at Code Institute was very good. I had two mentors over my time at Code Institute. Both were very influential in getting me to where I am now, by not just giving me the answers to any particular problem, but teaching me how to find those answers out myself. The high points for me with the course was being able to present to my initial employer a really good CV with a GitHub profile linked to it, and that of course was full of content thanks to the courses and projects that we built with Code Institute. I was quite proud of the fact that I could almost bring up a web page if needed at the interview and go, this is what I've built. I would recommend the Code Institute course to other people. Yeah, I think I've spoken to a few people now who were quite interested, who were probably where I was 2 years ago, not knowing what they want to do and if they would fancy a change, and they knew I'd done this course. It's something that I would definitely put forward to someone who was wanting to get a foothold in this sort of industry.